is a bit sexual. What are you supposed to do? Just walk across it?
You got to figure it out.
Is it a maze? Oh, sick! If I fall this guy, tell my mum and other. And also tell Mandarin, yeah, to give everyone that comes to my funeral free food. Oh, fuck off, you're having a G-Graph. Look at this. Whoa, you didn't tell me you did that! Oh my god, near-death experience. Whoa, whoa, hello, it's like pirate shit. Fuck's sake. Only wonder kids break ankles, man. Yeah, gonna dominate you now. Champion! Ah, come on. Relax. Sniffy, man, I'm not even joking, I'm gonna break your neck. Hang on. Can I hold on? I'm gonna have... Oh, gonna pull the muscle. I'm too old for this shit. There's a fly. Pumping another fly. Oh. I pulled a fucking muscle. That's before I pumped the ball. Giraffe. Yeah. Oh, fuck off. Look at the puddle. Are you ready for the grand finale? Yeah! And it's over with. I pulled a muscle. The end. End it, bitch! I did it! Where's my back?